Hello everyone and welcome back to Prodigal Overland. My name is Brad. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, we are going to be doing a little test here to see if there's any way to increase the acceleration in our Jeep Gladiator. If you're familiar with the 3.6 engine, whether it's in your Grand Cherokee or Gladiator, or man, they stick that thing in a lot of other engines, you know that it's not the quickest engine in the world. It's reliable. Supposed to go for a long time. It's adequate as far as the horsepower, but it's certainly, at least in the Gladiator, not known for massive acceleration. So I've been kind of keeping my ear out for a while, trying to see if there's any budget-friendly options on how to make this truck just a wee bit quicker. And I think I may have found one. So you're gonna want to stick around and see what's coming next. Moment of truth. Oh my God. Okay. I spun my tires pulling out on the gravel. I have never done that before. All right, guys. So in this video, should hold it the right direction. In this video, we're gonna be doing an install and review on the Pedal Commander. What is the Pedal Commander? Well, the Pedal Commander is an electronic device that helps speed up kind of the relay from your acceleration when you hit that accelerator and your actual throttle box. From what I've heard on a little bit, like this much research, is that because of some of the fuel efficiency and stuff that they're trying to get into a lot of vehicles these days, there's often a little bit delay there. So I hit the throttle and it's not an instant response to my engine. There's a delay there. And that's also how, like, if you've got a Jeep or another vehicle that's off-roady, you go into off-road mode or rock mode, and it's messing with the throttle response and kind of can slow things down to make it more controllable. So anyway, long story short, these things are electronic now. What that means on a practical basis is when I'm driving my truck and I hit that gas, even if I hit it kind of hard, I can sense a little delay in the actual response that I'm getting. It's a little bit sometimes mushy, you can call. So the Pedal Commander is supposed to fix that. I've not yet installed it. It's still in the box. So supposed to be a super easy install. So in this video, we're going to open this sucker up and put it in the truck and see if I can tell any difference. Let's go. So this thing comes in a super small box, which hopefully means that this is going to be a piece of cake to install. Online, they say it's going to take about 15 minutes. It looks like I basically unplugged one cord and plug two in. So let's give it a go. Let's open up and see what we got here. Push. Well, let's read the instructions, huh? Alright, not bad. Just push the two tabs. Open up. We've got, there is an app that goes with this. Little QR code there. It can be controlled by Bluetooth as well. Let's see, opening it up here. This thing is actually much smaller than I thought it was going to be. You look online and it seems kind of big. I mean, there's my hand. So it's very, very small. I don't think it's going to be that hard to kind of hide somewhere in the car. There's buttons here that kind of adjust. You push this to adjust Eco, City, Sport, Sport Plus. Eco is supposed to actually delay your throttle response, use less throttle if you want to try to save some fuel efficiency. This is also the one they recommend for off-roading, so just to kind of slow everything down. That'll be fun to try when we get out on the trails. City, bop around town, and Sport if you want a little bit more. So we'll see. We'll see if we find any difference. Basically, two plugs here, some Velcro. That's fantastic right there. So you can just Velcro this, pick a spot, undo these stickers, pop it on. So what else we got here? Is this a wipe? I think, is this, oh, this is to wipe down where you stick it, get that grease off. This is so far so good, man. Let's give this a try. All right, guys. So right up there is our plug. So I have just a mini flathead, and we should be able to pop out a clip there and then pull that plug. All right, guys. So on the Gladiator, it is a plug that pulls out. I did that with that little flathead, and then it's super easy to pull the plug up. Super easy. So actually that's probably the easiest automotive plug I've ever undone. So there's no pinchy things here. You just slide that out, pull this up, and we should now be able to just plug in the pedal commander. All right guys, so I got it plugged in. The worst thing about this install was trying to get a 6-foot guy doing acrobats in this tiny spot, but it is very easy. Again, those clips just slide back, and actually when you slide them in, they kind of lock into place. It's my new favorite automotive clip. I've not seen that before. And then you've got enough room and cord to mount this wherever you want. I'm not gonna mount it yet because I just want to make sure everything's working before I put a bunch of stickers on. So let's go for a ride. All right guys, got it installed. We're gonna try it out, haven't started the truck. Hopefully it works. It looks as simple as plug and play. That's all I did. 2 plugs, I unplugged one, plugged 2 in, and we're about to fire this thing up. I'm kind of excited. The reviews online are really good, and it would be pretty amazing if it was a noticeable difference. So let's see. All right guys, we're creeping up to the road. Getting out of our little neighborhood here. I feel like I can tell a difference, and I've not gone more than 10 miles an hour, so we'll see. Sorry the lighting here isn't fantastic, but yeah, let's give it a go. Moment of truth. Oh my God. Okay. I spun my tires pulling out on the gravel. I have never done that before. You gotta be kidding me. Holy cow. Yes. Go buy this. This is ridiculous. So I'm in just sport plus 2 for sure you can tell a difference. That is kind of funny. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna pull up here and we'll just kind of turn around. We'll get down. We'll start from kind of low. Pull this camera around so you guys can see. Oh, we got construction. We shouldn't do this in construction. Let me find an open spot. I'll pull the camera off. We'll start from 0 and I'll kind of give you first person view. All right guys, we are gonna pull to this road, show you a pretty bridge. So I can tell you right now, the throttle is very touchy. Maybe more touchy than I'd want right now, but like I said, I can totally fine tune this. I have it cranked up to sport mode here. I'd like to see if I can spin some tires, but we're gonna find out here and get on the road. No one's coming. All right, let's do 0. We are stopped. Here we go. All right, we did not squeal tires. It's the same engine, so it's not changing any of the engines. Obviously, I still have a 3.6 in here, same gearing, all of that. But it takes your gas pedal from feeling kind of mushy to not at all, not even just a little bit mushy. It is super responsive, so it has, I would say, completely eliminated that kind of delay. Here, let's stop again. Middle of the road, why not? It's a country road. Yeah, I mean, it's not squealing tires, but I just hit the gas a little bit and it's pushing me back in my seat. Well, it's rocking me back in my seat. So this is pretty impressive. So like I said, I'm in sport mode now. I haven't done sport plus. I got another little straightaway here. I'm going to just switch to sport plus here quick. Let me stop here. So sport plus. Yeah, it's like it accesses the engine for you. All right, guys, so I just put this in eco, and I mean, it's like granny mode. So like, this is definitely making a huge difference in my ability to fine tune what I want from my engine and what I want from my driving. I think this thing's like $300. I'm gonna check, but this is so worth it. Like right now I'm in eco, and I gotta say I kind of feel pokey. Like, I went from Sport Plus to eco, and it is a huge difference. To get into eco mode, you have to kind of push and hold that selector, and that'll put you in eco mode. But this thing works. It does what it says it's gonna do. First drive impressions. So, just got back, tried the eco mode, city, sport, and sport plus. Sport and sport plus, for sure, like, it wakes your engine up, right? Like, you can tell it's a very touchy throttle. You hit it and you go. So it kind of like, I mean, to me, like, maybe normal driving is like 75-80% of your engine's use is available to you, and this thing, it's like it taps into that rest, and it's here you go. So that is super nice. In each setting, eco, and I might have said this wrong earlier, but in each setting, eco, city, sport, and sport plus, 4 modes, there is a total of 8 different settings plus the like standard. So basically 9 different fine tunes you can do for the 4. Follow me on the math. Total of 36 different sensitivities, I'm going to call it, because I don't know what they call it. I think it's sensitivities. So 36 different sensitivities, all the way from like slug mode, or they call it eco mode. It's going to save you some fuel. I think, like I said, for me, off-road, I can see huge off-road potential in this. When we're out rock crawling, the ability to really feather that throttle, or have the ability just to barely be turning wheels to get where you need to go, that's what you want off-road. So for me, eco mode for sure, I'm hoping, is going to be rock crawling mode. So all the way from that, saving gas, delayed throttle, to up to like sports car modes, as much as my Jeep Gladiator can be a sports car with a 3.6. So a couple things to keep in mind. Huge customization with this. Whatever your driving feel is, you're going to be able to fine tune that, and you're going to know immediately. Like, I knew immediately that this thing was working, which was super cool. So you can fine tune it. And it just takes out that delay, that lag, and really lets you have control over what you want out of your acceleration. Now, it's not dropping a new engine in there. It's not gonna up your horsepower and all that, but your user experience, my user experience, was dramatically improved. And this thing costs $300. That's what this costs, $300. It's not a $10,000, $15,000 turbo. It's not a $40,000 engine swap on top of your vehicle that you already paid for. No, it's $300. Little bit of money, huge, honestly guys, huge, immediate, like, customization. So I was skeptical, I will admit, a little skeptical. I thought this thing was going to be bigger. I thought maybe it'd be similar to just like pushing the pedal down harder, you know, like, here, let me just push harder. It's not. It's the best thing I can do is say that it gives you the ability to have as much access to that power that whatever your engine can produce, down to like of super delayed. So it's this huge sensitivity, and it really comes back to your driving experience, which, if you paid a significant amount of money for your ride and you're driving it around, this is a super easy install. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful to you, do 2 things for me. Number 1, check out the link below in this video. That will take you right to Pedal Commander's website. And if you liked it, give it a try. They have a 2-year warranty on these, and a 30-day money-back kind of thing. So if you buy this, you install it, and you're not happy, send it back. No harm done. And then 2 years of support. They're FCC certified, smog certified if you're out in California, and some other certification. But they've been around a while. Check out their reviews online. Also, if you use that link, we do get a small portion of that. It doesn't cost you anymore, but it helps this channel out. So Again, if you like it and you're considering it, please use our link. That will for sure help us continue to bring you hopefully some cool products. Also, look for some more videos on this. I'm curious right off the top, what's this gonna do to my fuel economy? What's my 0 to 60 gonna look like? Has that changed? And then off-road. Those would be the big 3 things that I hope to address in the future. This was kind of the initial out of the gate, first try, see what I think, and it's good stuff, guys. So anyway, check out that link below. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're doing well, and we will see you guys again real soon.